Hi, this is Rosanna. So today I'm going to talk about OTO 2. Um, sorry. So yeah, I'm going to talk about OTO 2. So OTO 2 for Pixel Scout is the chance for you to buy additional credits. Okay, so there are two options: $29 or $49. $29 give you 250 credits per month, and $49 give you 500 credits per month. So you have to note that here. Subscription credits do not carry over into the next month. So they do not carry over into the next month, okay? Instead, they will renew each month. Yeah, that's for the OTO2 of Pixel Scout. So just to remind you, if you haven't picked up the Pixel Scout yet, use my link in the description below and you will get a lot of bonuses. In addition, I will give you a bonus um, to for you to learn how you can get leads for your clients using Facebook ads. Alrighty, so I'll see you next time.